Now the only thing that is remaining in the assembly making process is the motion study, which performs kinematic motion analysis based on joints. Now to understand this, we are having this cam and follower assembly, in which when we animate the model, you can see the cam is rotating and the follower is moving up and down. Now if I want to demonstrate a complete rotation of the cam followed by a reverse rotation, so this would not be possible just with animating the model, because when we are animating the model, it is only rotating in a clockwise fashion. So here we can utilize motion study. So as soon as we click it from the assemble toolbar, a new palette opens. Just adjust your model accordingly so that you can see this palette and you can also see your assembly. So here, as you can see, there is a straight line. This line is eventually an axis of time. So if we consider this axis as x-axis, then in the y-axis we can consider positional entities like degrees, millimeters, or basically distance. Now in the right hand side, you can see this joint, this revolute joint is already selected. You can always deselect it and select any joint you want, but for the sake of this particular lecture, let's go with the revolute only. Now here, as we drag the mouse, you can see the numbers are changing. These numbers are what we call steps. Now let's select any step. Let's say we are selecting this step number 10. As soon as we selected that, by left clicking on it, you can provide angle. So initially what I told you, that I want a complete revolution of the cam followed by a reverse or anti-clockwise revolution. So initially I want a complete clockwise revolution and then a anti-clockwise revolution. So here I can write as 360 degrees and just press anywhere. And let's say at step number 50, I am reverting it back to 0 degrees. Click anywhere again and just click on play over here. This was very fast, but when we play on loop by clicking here, you can see the desired result is obtained. A complete revolution followed by a complete anti-clockwise revolution. You can also delete any of the points that you have created in the graph by clicking this minus sign over here. And you can also create a smooth operation by providing larger number of steps. Let's say we are providing, instead of 50 steps, let's say we are providing 90 steps. Let it be 0 degree. Now when we click on play over here, you can see a rather smooth operation in the reverse direction, or the anti-clockwise rotation is seen. So with this, we are going to conclude this course. I hope you understood the in and out of assembly making process in Fusion 360. And I hope you will apply the knowledge you have gained and you will create your own assembly in no time. Thank you so much. All the very best.